In this video, we will discuss how to create an event in Engage and how to utilize the RSVP feature in Engage to create a registration process for your event. In order to create an event, click on the three horizontal lines on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll then scroll down and click Events. This initial page will give you an idea of all of your upcoming events that are hosted within your portal. You'll then create a new event by clicking on the blue button on the right-hand side of the screen. As you create a new event, you'll need to provide a title for your event. Your title should be engaging and descriptive. The title of your event will be viewable on the Opportunity wall in Cafe Ogle, as well as on the Engage homepage. You'll then select a theme which most accurately aligns with your event's purpose. You'll type a description into the field. Your description should provide an accurate depiction of your event to your target audience and the Bellarmine community. Depending upon your event settings, this description could be seen by anyone on the Engage website. The last bit of information we need is knowing when your event starts, when it will end, and where the location will be. In this section, you have an opportunity to limit who can see your event. If you were to select the public, anyone on the Engage website, regardless of whether or not they have a Bellarmine login, will be able to view your event. If you select student and staff at Engage, only Bellarmine community members who have logged into the Engage portal will be able to see your event. If you select organization members, only individuals who are members of your organization and Engage will be able to view your event. And if you select invited users only individuals who you specify in a separate invitation list will be able to see the event. After you've provided all this information, click Next. On this page, you can begin to build your registration process. If only a certain number of individuals are able to attend your event, click the Limit the number of available RSVP spots. You'll then type in the number of individuals that will be your capacity. If you're not concerned about the number of individuals attending your event, relieve your RSVPs that anyone can RSVP and unclick this checkbox. As you scroll down, you'll have the opportunity to begin to create your registration process. You have different ways in which you can collect information. You can do text single line if you're wanting to collect contact information or short answers from individuals, or you can do checkboxes or radio buttons if you're wanting to do multiple choices. After you select what kind of question you'd like, click Add Question. You'll then type in the question and then indicate if this should be a required question or not, and then you have the opportunity to add some additional guidance to individuals to help them answer your question. After you've added all the questions that you would like, you'll click Next to advance throughout the request. On this page, you can upload a cover photo for your event. Guidelines and specifications for your cover photo are available here. You'll now identify the type of event you'll be hosting by selecting the option which most closely aligns with the classification of your organization. If you're a student organization, you should always click the Registered Student Organization option. You'll now be prompted to answer questions which help the Student Activity Center staff reserve the appropriate venue for you. You'll indicate to us what time you need the space and what your options are or what your preferences would be for having space on campus. You'll also need to tell us what additional requests need to be put in on your behalf, whether those are technology needs, facility needs such as tables or chairs, or sound systems. The next questions on this list make sure that we provide the appropriate resources for you for your event to be successful. Depending upon your answers to these questions, it might require some additional approvals from various campus departments. After completing this information, click Next to review your submission and then press Submit. Your event request will be marked as pending until your advisor approves of the event and the Student Activity Center staff officially reserves your space for you. Once all these steps have been completed, your event request will be marked approved.